ay bigyan talaga natin. Bawat sila'y biyaya at hintong pagpapala. Tulong-tulong natin ang buti, naganda nating isipin. Ngayon na ang tamang panahon, mayabungin ang pagkakataon. Okay, good morning. Good morning, runners!
Good morning, runners! Excited na ba kayo para tumakbo? Enough na ba yung suspense namin kanina?
Okay, good morning, Miss Shona.
Good morning, Kuya Marion.
Magandang Shona. So, good morning,
Bakit hindi ka po yung naka-shirt?
Okay na to, palibigyan sa kanin, huwag sayangin.
Good morning and welcome to
NYR Run 2013. This is in
cooperation with DARFU 4A Calabarzon,
Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Unit, 4B, Mimaropa,
Institute of Rice Research, International Institute of Rice Research, sorry, University of the Philippines, Los Baños,
Department of Science and Technology, Bayer Crop Science, DuPont Pioneer, Crisport.
and we'd also like to thank our other sponsors, UPLB College of Agriculture, PinoyFitness.com, Ariza Runners, the Philippine Red Cross, Takpo.ph, UPhilSams, the UPLB Makiling Campus Runners,
Upsilon Sigma Phi Fraternity, Move Your Body Shop, and okay, good morning again. Excited na ba kayo? Nag-agahan na ba sila? Ang tanong.
sa mga hindi pa pala nagsasnacks or kung wala pang laman yung tiyan nyo, meron tayong snacks over there sa booth na ito.
May bayad daw. May bayad daw, partner. So, to formally open our program and our race, may we call on Miss Mauricia Makiling for our invocation. Susundan po ito ng national anthem.
Okay, tayo po ay manalangin.